If you want to set a song as a ringtone on a Redmi 15, first of all, we can open Settings. Now we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and we need to find Sound and Vibration. Once you go here, open a ringtone, and you should be able to open the theme app with the ringtone tab selected. And generally speaking, over here you can find a bunch of different songs that you can set as a ringtone. If you find something interesting, then you should be able to tap on this bell icon over here on the right side, and you can choose ringtone. Of course, you can tap on the option itself in order to have a listen. But besides that, we can also go to choose local ringtone over here if you have an audio file saved on your storage of your Redmi 15. So if you have a song saved on your smartphone, then you can go over there and choose audio files. And then you can select the file that you wish to set as a ringtone. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. After that, if you for some reason came back to this menu, then we can go back and you should see the list of ringtones. But in case you don't see the list of ringtones, then you can go to pre-installed ringtones after that and then choose ringtone. And there we go. Over here in my ringtones, you should be able to find your song that you just added, so you can tap on it in order to select it as the ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.